Guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Tishurin if you don't know me. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more unique recipes. So today's recipe is going to be a very special one. I'm going to make asparagus datse. We call nyakapchung datse, and I'm sure most of you have tried that fried and sauté one, but never tried one which I'm going to make today. So I highly recommend you to watch the video till the end, and don't forget to like the video if you like it. Let's begin then. I have 100 grams of asparagus, which later is going to be only 50 grams since we have to throw out those hard ones, and yeah, it's going to be only 50 grams I guess. 5 to 6 red chilies. If you don't have red chilies, you can go for green one, there is no problem at all. Also use it as per your tolerance. Later don't complain you are using too much chili and all. And I have 5 numbers of cherry tomatoes, and if you don't have this also, you can replace them with normal tomatoes. And I have 5 to 6 garlic cloves soaked in cold water. Now we are going to cut asparagus into finger size. Make sure to remove those hard ones. You can always take like this, like you can give softer part and remove those hard ones. Like you can see that it's very hard. Later it's not going to cook anyhow. There is no use of adding this one. I'm gonna cut off those hard ones. Oops. Now we are ready to cook. First goes in asparagus, then cherry tomato, then I'm going to add red chilies, then goes in garlic and water. Oh. You can always check water. You can add water depending upon how stew or how gravy you want to have. I'm going to add this much water. Always make sure to add water before salt and this oil. The reason behind this is that sometimes we add too much water accidentally, and that time, in case this happens, you can always throw them. So after throwing water, only add oil and salt so that you don't have to waste them, right? I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. If you don't like mustard oil, you can use your favorite oil, there is no problem at all. And cheese. Make sure to add datse if you have. I don't have datse, so I'm using Amul cheese. You can always like add mixture of cheese and datse. For those who don't understand what is datse, it's a Bhutanese locally produced cheese which is found in Bhutan only. Now cover it and cook for next 5 minutes on high flame. Now after a thorough boiling of 5 to 6 minutes, we are going to turn off the flame and wait for 1 minute before mixing them. How beautiful they are looking. Now I'm going to mix them thoroughly. It exactly turned out how I wanted to have. You can serve it with rice, and yeah, you'll fall in love with this dish for your whole life.